Pleasure and gratitude, we welcome the Honorable Governor of Odisha, Professor Ganeshi to address the August audience. Sir.
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भव तुम्हें। मैंने महसूस किया कि हर नजर जिनके दर्शन करने को ललाई थी, उत्सुक है, प्रतीक्षा रहते हैं। ऐसे आदि शक्ति के संतान मेरे महान भारत की महामहिम राष्ट्रपति महोदया जी, इस युग को अपनी मुस्कान लुटाते फिर रहे ऐसे हमारे सबके प्रिय ऑनरेबल चीफ जस्टिस डॉक्टर एस मुरलीधर जी, ऑनरेबल जज पात्रा जी, मेरे परम स्नेही मित्र, मेरी सरकार में मंत्री श्रीयुक्त जगन्नाथ जी, आदरणीय श्री अशोक परिजा जी, बार काउंसिल के ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट, and you the manifestations of Chitraratha sitting before me, Ashwatatha, Vrikshana, Devarishinam Janarada, Gandharvanam, Chitraratha, Siddhanam. You are the Chitraratha of this present land, you see, this planet, you see. I salute you with my folded hands, you see. Whatever I have learned from all of you, you see, all the doctrines which have been enshrined in the scriptures, maybe the New Testament, maybe Quran, maybe Gita, the Vedas, by the sages, the seers, and the saints of the world at large. All the rules and the principles which have been so constituted in the constitution of the different countries, all the arrangements which have been so formulated in the judiciary, in the executive, in the legislature, etc., for a smooth interaction, for an absolute harmony between man, nature, science, and God, fall under the ambit of the rule of law. Now, this rule of law becomes a teasing illusion if it is not accessible to the people at large. It is also of a teasing nature, the different courts of the different laws. But more so, leaving aside all these things, when it becomes a selective principle of law, then there is nobody to save the planet, you see. So as far as the rule of law is concerned, that simply means performing the ordained duty as an entity in evolution, culminating in God as a superman, deciphering the mystery of creations, preservations, destructions, and helping us to accept the wise dictum that thy will be done. We are basically the servitors of the transcendence, you see. Transcendental servitors we are. And the maximum depends upon you see. As the Supreme Court is said to be the conscience keeper of the independent world, you see. The Constitution also recognizes the intrinsic relation between judicial administration and administration for justice also. But judicial administration becomes if free, fair, speedy, then it becomes judicial justice administration. The world at large, you see, is gripped with the selective principle of law. It happened in the times of Mahabharata also, say. Bhishma was a selective principle of law. He was devoted just to Hastinapur. Karna was Karna's rule of law was nothing else but Duryodhana. Dronacharya's rule of law was Ashwathama. And therefore all these persons may be having Ichha Mrityu Vardhan. They were murdered like anything, you see. Today also in the world, you see, people have their own laws, you see. Duryodhana was himself the law himself, you see. Now in this torn world, you see, conflicting world, you can say, there is one unique person. Fortunately, that is the Prime Minister of India, who talks of one earth, one family, one future, one sun, one world, one guild, conscious-centric globalization, planet and human-centric globalization. A person who speaks very to the world at large, you see. ये मोहब्बत का समय है, प्रेम का समय है, युद्ध का समय नहीं है. So the rule of law must be observed by the world at large. That is what the Prime Minister is speaking time and again, you see. It is called in Bhagavad Gita Swadharam, you see. Also Lord Krishna speaks, Yada Yada Dharmasya Galanir Bhavati Bharat. Whenever there is a decline of righteous conduct, I manifest myself in every millennium to deliver the pious and to annihilate the miscreants. That is what Lord Krishna speaks, and that is what you are. You are the manifestation of Lord Prabhu Jagannatha. You will excuse me, you see. I of course, you see, hold you in high esteem. You see. You have been just dropped from Lord Jagannatha to this land, you see, to give his blessings, his advice, and his suggestions, and his verdict to the people at large. Well, that is what, as far as rule of law is concerned, I pray to Lord Prabhu Jagannatha that this divine river of divine wisdom which is couched in you should flow the waters of nirvikarita, nishkamata, nityata, nirlobhata, nirmamata, nirlepata. That flow must be there, you see, and that has been there. See, so we stand unique as far as judiciary is concerned in the whole of the world. My salutations to you. Vande Utpal Janani Bharat Mata ki.